All right, guys, what's going on? Rabid here. So we dropped the video this morning. We fired out a short. We heard the rumors that Coinbase CEO, it's all over Google here, pretty much was showcasing that he heard that the US, the Securities Commission, will be banning all crypto within the US. Now, here's something that Kraken users are actually starting to get brought to their attention. So today, Kraken reached a settlement with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, regarding its on-chain staking program. Because of this settlement, Kraken has agreed to end its on-chain staking services for US clients. Therefore, all staking services are going to be halted across Kraken completely. So probably time to start pulling your stuff out, guys. What does this mean for you? And here's the kicker: US residents only. So as long as your account is based in the US, you will not be able to participate in our staking program. Your existing on-chain staking balances for non-ETH assets will be automatically unstaked. They will be returned to your Kraken spot wallet and will no longer earn rewards. Remember, this is for all US residents. Now, they can't do this with Ethereum because it's all currently locked in. That a little bit on here. A final reward payout will be through February 9th. These rewards will not be automatically staked and instead will be paid out in their non-staked form. Now, here's the Ethereum thing. Staked ETH will be unstaked after the Shanghai upgrade. This is the process where they're finally allowing people to withdraw. So here's the big kicker. What's going to happen to Ethereum price once they finally can unlock stuff, and what other platforms are going to start doing the same thing to all its US-based customers? Now, most of the nodes sound like they're held on AWS. That may have changed recently. I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section. But what if all of a sudden they say, hey, Amazon, shut it down? What will happen at that point? Crazy things are unfolding in the crypto world, and Ethereum is a massive part of it. Anyway, with the Shanghai upgrade, and we'll continue to earn rewards until then. There are no changes to the payout structure until after the Shanghai upgrade, when ETH will be unstaked. So there we go. All staking platforms to US citizens, at least across Kraken for now, is going to be canceled and removed, and you are no longer able to stake stuff. So this is interesting unfolding, especially since FTX and everything went down. We talked about this in the earlier video this morning, that FTX, all the staking, all these platforms encourage you to hold your crypto on them, stake them, gain the passive income, but then something happens, maybe they rug pull, they steal all your coins, or they get hacked. Regardless, all your funds are gone. In the end, it comes down to the same thing, guys. Always hold your own crypto within your own wallets, not on all these centralized exchanges. And if something happens, who cares? Because you still have all your crypto. Now, usually this all starts a snowball effect. So now we have Kraken, who went on to go in that SEC thing. Now, who's going to be next? What if all these other platforms start announcing the same thing? We're going to see a lot of red coming across POS coins moving into the future. Now, are they going to start forking into proof of work? Who knows? We have no idea. Miners are probably loving this. Will it actually happen? I doubt it, but it's really hard to say at this point. Let me know all your thoughts and comments down in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. Rabid out.